Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the app and protecting your settings. Update Utorrent to the newest build, then quit the program completely so files aren't locked. Next, back up the Utorrent folder in %appdata% or the installation directory, copy settings, DAT or equivalent to a safe folder. Once done, you'll be ready to modify the interface files. Make sure the backup is accessible in case you need to restore the original theme or settings quickly. You now perform the core modification, replacing the UI assets with dark versions. Locate the skin or resource files used by Utorrent. These may be in a skin folder, resource, res, or bundled DLLs. Replace each original asset with the dark counterpart, keeping exact file names so the app loads them. Once replacements are in place, run Utorrent as administrator so the OS allows resource access. This ensures the new dark assets are read on start. If you need to, toggle advanced settings afterwards. Finish by restarting Utorrent and verifying the dark interface is applied across main panes and dialogues. You should see the swapped assets immediately. If any icons or windows look broken, stop and restore the backup you made, then repeat the replacement more carefully. Preserve names and file paths exactly. If problems persist, clear temporary caches or perform a clean reinstall and reapply the dark assets. One key troubleshooting tip: always keep the original backup so you can revert instantly if things go wrong.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.